Today, we're taking a deep dive into Coinbase, a leading platform for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. This tutorial is designed for beginners and advanced users alike, so whether you're making your first purchase or looking to optimize your trading strategy, stick around for some valuable insights. Let's embark on this crypto journey together. Before we start trading, let's understand what makes Coinbase a go-to choice for over 35 million people worldwide. Founded in 2012, Coinbase has grown to become one of the most trusted and accessible platforms in the cryptocurrency space. Its intuitive interface, robust security measures, and wide range of support of cryptocurrencies make it an ideal platform for anyone looking to venture into the world of crypto. Setting up your Coinbase account is your first step towards trading. From the Coinbase homepage, go to the Sign Up button in the top right corner and select either individual or business as the type of account that you want to open and go to Get Started. Next, enter your email address as well as provide a secure password. Coinbase will also ask you to verify your identity. The process involves verifying your identity to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. This step is crucial for protecting your account and preventing fraud. Make sure to provide your accurate information and have your ID ready for a smooth verification process. Once your account is set up, it's time to add funds. You can do this via the payment method section of the settings and by going to add a payment method. You can do this via bank transfer, debit card, credit card, PayPal, direct deposit, or wire transfer, or even transferring cryptocurrency from another wallet directly to Coinbase. Each method has its advantages, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Remember, transaction times and fees can vary, so it's worth doing a bit of research. Buying cryptocurrency on Coinbase is designed to be simple, yet there are several options to be aware of. Besides a one-time purchase, you can set up recurring buys to dollar cost average into your investments, a strategy many investors use to reduce the impact of volatility. You can also set up limit orders so that your cryptocurrency purchase executes at a specific price, and this applies to buys and sells, so you never have to miss out on important gains or lose too much profit. For those looking to take their trading to the next level, Coinbase Advance offers advanced charting features, more trading pairs, and lower fees. Switching to Coinbase Advanced is free and uses the same account as Coinbase. Let's explore how to navigate the interface, analyze charts, place limit orders, and use stop losses to manage risk effectively. From the Coinbase Advanced dashboard, navigate to the top left section and select your trading pair. If you're looking for a specific pair, you can simply type it in and search for it. The price chart will show a specific price of the cryptocurrency for a specific time frame, so you can select a range between an hour all the way up to 6 months. The depth chart will show you the rate of orders versus sells that are being placed within a specific time frame. Over here on the right, you'll see the order book and the amount of orders that are being placed between buys and sells. You can see how many people are buying a specific trading pair, as well as how many people are selling a specific trading pair from the target price. In this example, you can see that there are more people who are ready to buy than there are to sell BTC ETC pair. On the right side, you can see the trade history of all the past trades that have occurred within the last few minutes. If you want to set a limit order to buy or sell cryptocurrency, you can easily do so by setting a limit price over here on the right hand side. So let's say that we want to set a limit order to execute when the price is at 0.053 BTC. We can simply type that in and then select the amount of Ethereum that you want to buy in return. When you are satisfied with the order details of your trade, go to buy ETC, and then your limit order will automatically be placed. You will generate a sell as soon as the price passes the limit, and the order will execute at the price you set. If you want to set a market order, you can do so from the Market tab, and here you can purchase at the current market rate. Over here you can set a stop limit order to buy or sell cryptocurrency at a specific price, so that in case the price goes over the amount or goes below the specific amount that you set, the order will still execute and you can maximize your gains while minimizing risk. Securing your cryptocurrency is paramount. While Coinbase provides robust security for assets stored on its platform, many users opt for additional security by using hardware wallets or the Coinbase Vault. Another method that you can use to securely store cryptocurrency is by enabling two-factor authentication. You can do so by going to the security settings of your Coinbase account settings and enabling either a security prompt, which is the push notification that appears on your Coinbase app anytime you want to log in on your desktop. Other methods include two-factor SMS as well as email. Other available methods include the Authenticator app, a security key or passkey, which is a biometric or PIN code. I highly recommend enabling either one or two of these to completely secure your account in the event of a hack or targeted attack. It's also smart to move your cryptocurrency away from Coinbase and into a cold storage wallet, so that way you know exactly where your cryptocurrency is in the event of a natural disaster or internet outage. Trading cryptocurrency can be exciting, but it's crucial to approach it with a strategy. Always stay informed about market trends, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversifying your portfolio can also help mitigate risks. Remember, the crypto market is volatile, and patience is key. That wraps up our comprehensive Coinbase tutorial. I hope this guide empowers you to navigate the platform confidently, whether you're buying your first Bitcoin or diving into advanced trading on Coinbase Advanced. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow crypto enthusiasts. Your support helps us create more content like this. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.
You